Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating poong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. Miss Universe Philippines 2024 Chelsea Manalo, Thorn Heads at the Bench Thernocon held at the Museo del Galleon SM Mall of Asia. Chelsea's presence added a touch of glamour and sophistication to the event, further enhancing its prestigious atmosphere. The Thernocon showcased the exquisite design of renowned fashion icons such as Jackie Clarino, Jesus Lloren, and Carrie Santiago. And each designer presented their unique take on the traditional terno, highlighting their creative prowess and deep appreciation for Filipino heritage. The event was a visual fest with intricate patterns, vibrant colors, and elegant silhouette on display, celebrating the rich tapestry of Philippine fashion. The Thernocon was also a significant cultural event, marking 126 years of Philippine independence. It was a beautiful reminder of our nation's journey and the enduring spirits of its people. Chelsea Manalo participating in this event underscored the unity and pride of Filipinos, as she embodied the grace and poise of a true Miss Universe Philippines. The celebration at the Museo del Galleon was a perfect blend of history, fashion, and national pride, leaving a lasting impression on all who attended. Chelsea looked resplendent in a colorful hand-woven and hand-embroidered tausug siyabit sleeveless, a tunic with tiyahian or the trade work by the tausug artisans, designed by Len Kabili of Filipiniana. Kay ganda ng Pilipino. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pag-komento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!